Hey guys, this is ITS service. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy S5. The phone came to the shop with no power, and when you hook the phone to the power supply, it's taking like 1 ohm. So that means the phone has short. So I opened the ZXW and I was checking the power line. We have here this one is the C700. I'm gonna zoom on it. This one here. Can you see it? Okay. So I was checking this one here, but when I was fixing the phone, I'll show you guys under the microscope. Where is it? Okay. This. Okay. Is it here? Yeah. Guys, you see this one here? What the name of it? Is the C7. Let me check. C7003. It's this one. This one. This is the C7003. This was like this. The reason I want to show it to you guys, I'm gonna show you just the capacitor by itself. Wait a second. So we know that we have short, okay? And then I want you guys to see how to tell there's a short. Do you guys see the color on this one? Watch. Turn off the light so maybe it's gonna look better. Yeah. You see it? Do you guys see it? See the color? This was burnt. I just removed it from the board and the phone back to normal. And I want you guys to compare it. Do you guys see it? Right, like very close. And I check it too. It's wire. Do you guys see it? This was like that. Watch, guys. Watch the color. You guys see this one, and I'm gonna show you the original one. Okay. Watch the color, how it's beautiful. All of them. Watch. So it's easy to tell like which capacitor is bad. You can just like change it. So what I did, I took it off from my motherboard. My short is gone and the phone back to normal. So I decided to share this video with you guys. Is it for Galaxy S5, and the problem was the C7003. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you guys the best. The phone, guys, back to life. Charging good. Okay, I would love just to pause the video so you guys can know what to do. So when the phone came to the shop, it was taking like 1. Okay, thanks for watching. This is ITS service, cell phone store repair in North Carolina. Thanks again, guys.